Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first click to start, type task manager, open it, then click to full screen. Okay, now find out the Windows Explorer. So this is Windows Explorer, right click to restart. Okay, then wait few seconds. Now it is normalized. After that close it. Then next, repair Windows file. So open command from as run as administrator. So click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator and open it, and type this command. This is for the repair. Okay, and I will give you a description so you can copy and paste. Okay, so it will start the percentage when it is 100% completed. So I have two command which is official. Okay, so first this one, and second this one, sfc scan now slash scan now, and then hit enter. So both one by 100% is completed. Then try to one by one. Okay, first this one and second this one command. Okay, and minimize it so it is starting in the background. So next method, click to start, type run, right click, you can single click to open, and then type uh, clean mgr and then hit. Okay, then click check this if you want to recycle bin temporary file which you will want to, and then click to clean up system. Now it is calculating for the cleanup. Then next, repair photos. So click to start, click on photo, click on setting. After that click on app, then install app. Scroll down, find out Microsoft photo. You can see photos, click on three dot, then click advanced options, scroll down, then click to reset, and then click to repair. So this is also going on, and when it is completed, repair and reset. So it is completed both, and then close it. Then when it is completed this one and this one, restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.